Well, I'm gonna go pick up something that might change the way I do filming. I'm super nervous. I'm excited. It's about a 2-hour drive there. But let's get packed up. Alright, let's drive to Charlotte. Alright, we're here. Oh man, I'm just worn out, man. I'm sorry I've not got that full energy. But yeah, man, this has got me a little bit nervous, man. But I want to show you where I'm at. This is could change the way we do videos for a little bit. I'm still gonna do videos like I normally do, but check this out. I'm getting one of these. Isn't that crazy? That's insane. Look at that. All right, let's go in here and take a look at this place. All right. I'm not sure if I can film in here, but what's up, buddy? How y'all doing? Found it. This is it. I've been looking all over for it. Take a look. It's a beautiful color. It's crazy. So, it's an adventure bike. It's got the brush guards and the rack. Crazy excited about this. So it didn't work out. The owning your own company can be challenging sometimes with your credit score and stuff like that. That's the bike right there. But yeah, 2-hour drive here, no big deal. But not upset. But I've been uncomfortable and nervous the whole time. So I actually got up today, was going to get here early, and I don't know, just didn't feel comfortable, didn't feel right. And all the finance stuff was already done on the paperwork, so but when you get here, things change a little bit. So but this worked out, and it's all good. So I will see y'all on the next video.
A few moments later.
So, a little recap. Went home that night. We talked to the dealership like at 9 o'clock at night. They don't sleep at all. And we came up with an agreement. So I'm actually going to go up and get my bike today. was really disappointed leaving there, not getting the bike. But came home, I took a nap, and got my head back in the game, and it wound up working out. So now we're going back to pick up my bike. All right, we are about to be there. I got my buddy John with me to ride with me. I'm trying to find a way.
Some gnarly traffic.
I know the traffic's kind of crazy, but it's like right there. I mean, we're not far at all. It's like right over there.
Do you think you can make it?
Let's see. I don't know. Oh, thank you, bud. Thanks. All right. There it is.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun. They open at 9 o'clock.
At your destination.
I know.
Arrived.
I know, lady. I know. There it is. Ugh. So, let's go get our bike.
Just to stay in your pocket, and then when you come up to your bike, push, it's about 70. So you give it a little push. Always wait to make sure it's in neutral with you. And then this time I say that because when you're riding, you don't have time to really
figure
far
that
through
stuff.
with that. All these guys here affect what's up there. So you can tick
Gotcha.
off the essential ones.
Yeah.
You don't need 2 tripometers,
Yeah.
2 things tell you. Yeah, because you don't want to toggle through a lot of stuff.
A long time.
Well, cool, man.
Right here.
Yeah, just sign right next to your name.
Oh, right here. I got you.
Okay, so right there on that one.
Looks like it's almost over. Get you straight. Yeah, running my card. Just signed all the paperwork. I'm a proud owner of a BMW GS Adventure, the F850 GS Adventure. So it looks like we've got some work to do. Get some filming done. I gotta learn how to film a motorcycle now. Here he comes. There he is, right there. Did it go through?
Yep, it's all good.
Yes. Let's go get another one.
Good for anything,
Yeah.
for sure. Okay, we'll get you that tag.
Do that.
All right, very cool, dude.
All right, I appreciate it.
Yeah. Congrats.
Thank you, buddy. What all do I need to take? This right here?
Yep, that's it.
That's it. All right, let's go get our bike. I need somebody to help me put it in the back of my truck.
Yep, I'll do that for you.
Cool, cool. Like they're clear?
You got your box and the book and other key up my desk. Okay,
Well, the other key out.
yeah, it's in that owner's manual.
Okay.
Great. Very as usual, I'm running around like a chip with my head cut off. I appreciate you.
You're a pretty okay guy.
Okay.